There was this man with a huge heart.
She a freak in the sheets.
I'm Yhivi.
Yhivi.
Who are
Yhivi
you?
what? I'm Javi Matt.
Just Yhivi.
Just Yhivi. I like that. It's like Seal, you know?
Oh my
Just
God.
Yhivi.
Don't
You
compare
know?
me to Seal.
Okay, okay.
That's
Who's someone? Beyonce. It's like Beyonce.
Okay, come on. I don't know.
Too dramatic? Too.
It was a bold choice for sure.
Oh,
for me.
you know, I'm trying to go with the one named people.
Well, hey,
You know,
got me.
I'm not quite Javi yet. I feel like
Javi.
Javi, you know.
Yhivi, that kind of.
Javi Eve. Oh, are you trying to do the couples thing? Trying to see if we're the couple matching? With the
No,
names?
I just like rhyming.
Rhyming. Okay.
Try, give me another word. I'll rhyme with it immediately.
Okay, orange.
Splornge.
Orange.
No one ever remembers splorge.
It's okay. Yeah, nobody. When's the last time you splorged?
I don't know if we can talk about that here.
Oh, are you trying to splorge with me?
We just met.
Splorge with me. I'm Javi.
Lady, look at me.
You're a oh
I'm a
wow.
lady. Come on, we just met. Jesus
How many
Christ.
belts are you wearing? And who made this?
Creepy Yeha, an incredible designer, actually.
Creepy, yeah, duh.
Oh, I mean, the real ones know.
Oh yeah. I should have known that. Duh.
Do you want to ask me if I have any nominations?
Oh, do you have any nominations?
Yes, I do.
You do. What's your favorite one?
Best boy girl scene.
Okay. And why was that so memorable for you?
Well, you see, I was there, and there was this man with a huge heart. Alex Jones, she does have a huge heart.
Oh, Alex Jones. Oh, I've seen Alex
He's
many
such a
a
sweetie
occasions.
pie. Oh, have you? What do you
Yeah.
usually do when you see him?
When I see him and he's not railing one of my friends, I just say, hey. If he is railing one of my friends, I guess I clap. I don't know.
He deserves it.
Yeah. I saw him rail Kazumi at her birthday party a couple years ago, and there was flames everywhere. And it was like, and Kazumi's like, pull my hair back, please. So, to help her out. That's what friends do.
Oh, you helped.
I helped. I grabbed her hair. So while she was because it was getting in the way. Yeah, that's
We all
what
need a friend like that. Javi
yes,
is one of those friends.
I am. We approve. All right. Where do you want people to find you?
I want you to find me right here in your heart.
Aw.
That's where I'll be. Yhivi, spelled Yhivi on X, and Yhivi Access on. Get it? Because easy access, and on IG. What about? Never mind.
I'm Javi, the Mac. Okay, this is Kiss and Tell with Javi Mac. Thanks for watching. Splorings you later. Javi!